Yes. Okay, so this is our application, and yeah, so we're having a logo, a title, and two sections of the web page. So yeah, to the left of the web page, we're having start and close buttons. So the start and close buttons are responsible for starting and stopping the input feed. So yeah, when we click on start, we will get a video input block, and which will take the video input. So yeah, the camera gets turned on, and the video input is fed. And when we click on close, it will release all the resources and the camera is stopped. To the right, we are having these gestures. So yeah, we've kept these gestures as images on in the same web page, because one of the user or tester told us that it's more beneficial if we keep it this way. So yeah, listening to the users. Yes. So yes, when we click on start, this is how it will look like. Yeah, this is the input feed. So yeah, we'll just try to do some basic math operations right now. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So yeah, that's just a simple calculations. We can also perform a more complicated one, like 1 plus 2 equals 23. Yes. Another one, 1 by 2, 0.5. And we could also combine multiple operators, like suppose let's say 2 plus 3. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a result operator. Sometimes I get confused. So yeah, there's a learning curve for this. Whenever we are using hand gestures, there's a learning curve. We've also plotted a learning curve after in the presentation. So yeah, we can do one more complex mathematical operation. So 11 divided by 3 plus 2, and the result 5.666. So I think 5.66. So that was the result. So yeah, this is just a small demo of our web application. Yes. So yeah, camera and all resources were released. Goodbye. Yeah.